Imagine looking up at the sky on a clear night. The stars sparkle like tiny diamonds and the moon hangs silently watching over us. But have you ever wondered, where does the sky end and space begin? It feels like a simple question, but the answer is one of the most fascinating mysteries of modern science. Welcome to the incredible story of the Kármán Line, the invisible boundary between Earth and space. For centuries, humans believed the heavens were just above the clouds. But as technology grew hot, air balloons rose higher, airplanes flew faster, and eventually rockets pushed beyond the unimaginable. Scientists needed a clear definition. Where does space start? In the mid-20th century, a brilliant aerospace engineer named Theodore von Kármán found a solution. He calculated that at a certain height, the atmosphere becomes too thin to support normal flight. At that point, an aircraft would need to travel at orbital speed just to stay up. That magical height, 100 kilometers or roughly 62 miles above sea level, this point became famous worldwide as the Kármán Line. But here's the twist. Not everyone agrees. NASA in the US, Air Force often use 80 kilometers as their boundary for space. Some scientists argue that space isn't a sharp line at all. It's more like a gradual fading of air into emptiness. So does space begin at 80 kilometers or 100 kilometers or somewhere in between? The truth is beautifully complex. Earth's atmosphere doesn't end. Suddenly it slowly thins out over hundreds of kilometers. Even at 400 kilometers where the International Space Station orbits, faint traces of air still exist. That's why satellites need small boosts. The atmosphere, though extremely thin, still slows them down. Yet, for the world of aviation science and space tourism, the 100-kilometer Kármán Line remains the symbolic gateway to the cosmos. Cross it and you earn the title of astronaut. Cross it and you leave Earth behind. Think about it. In just 100 kilometers, a distance you could drive in an hour, everything familiar disappears: blue skies, breathable air clouds, birds' life. Beyond that line lies silence, darkness, infinity. The Kármán Line is more than a measurement. It is a reminder of how close we are to the universe. Space is not far away. It is right above us waiting. So the next time you look at the night sky, remember, the edge of space is closer than you think. And our journey to explore it has only just begun. If you enjoyed this exploration into the mysteries of the universe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps bring more amazing science stories to life. Thank you for watching. The universe is calling, and we're just getting started.